Trading fab on the eXchangily app is fast and simple. You can find all of the trading pairs on the trade page. Selecting the fab trading pair will take you to the order book for FabCoin. The order book displays all of the purchase and sell orders listed at the time and is where you can trade FabCoin. There are two ways to buy FabCoin on eXchangily. To buy immediately via a market order, check the order book for the latest market price, and you can also view the existing sell orders. Select the quantity you would like to buy and confirm your purchase with your wallet password. For a limit order, create a purchase order with the quantity and the price you would like to pay. Your order is created once you confirm your password, and it will fill when the market value reaches your limit order value. Once your order is filled at 100%, the transaction is complete. Secure your wealth with eXchangily.